I need you.
Now, let's just see where this little tray... Look at all of this pretty blood. It looks like somebody ain't doing so well.
You little shit! How dare you!
Well, look at that. Somebody's not doing so good. Looks like we got...
You little shit! Bad to the bone! Bad for your bones! Don't hide, friends. You got a better chance of sneaking a sunrise past Nugget.